Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Samsung has kicked off the year with a bang, and while most people are buzzing about the flagship Galaxy S24 series, today we're diving into something that's just as exciting but way more budget-friendly, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. This little gem works on Verizon, AT&T Mobile, and it costs just $200, or even less if you find a good deal. You can't expect everything at this price, but trust me, the A15 5G punches above its weight in many areas. First, let's talk design. The Galaxy A15 5G follows Samsung's 2024 design aesthetic with flat sides and a boxy look. It's all plastic, so it doesn't have that premium feel, but it's surprisingly lightweight. The most distinct design element is the raised edge on the right side, which Samsung calls Key Island. It makes finding the buttons by touch easier. The power button, which doubles as a fingerprint reader, is flush with the side, and just above it is the volume rocker. At the bottom, we've got a USB-C charging port, the only speaker, and a 3.5mm headset jack. Yes, a headphone jack in 2024, something you mostly find on budget phones these days. In the US, you can choose between blue, black, and light blue. We have the blue-black model here, and it looks pretty cool with its reflective back. The A15 comes in a slim box with just a charging cable, a SIM tool, and a user manual, no charger included. But it supports 25W charging, so grab a regular Samsung 25W charger if you need one. Now let's talk about the display. The Galaxy A15 5G sports a 6.5-inch AMOLED screen with a 90Hz refresh rate. It's bright, colorful, and quite a surprise at this price point. The only minor gripe is the screen's reflectivity outdoors. The fingerprint scanner is on the side, and while we prefer front position scanners, this one works well and is easy to get used to. All right, let's move on to the cameras. The A15 has a 50MP main camera, a 5MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro camera. The main camera is decent for everyday shots, but the ultra-wide and macro are quite limited. Video recording is capped at 1080p, which is expected at this price. Under the hood, the A15 runs on the latest Android 14, and Samsung promises 4 years of software updates. Battery life is solid, easily lasting a full day of use. It's a great performer for basic tasks and even some light gaming. So what's the verdict? The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is a fantastic budget phone that offers a lot for just $200. It's perfect for anyone looking for a reliable, affordable smartphone without too many compromises. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy A15 5G. Until next time, stay tech savvy.